Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Claude isn't working right now error. All right, let's begin. The first thing you can try is refreshing the Claude AI page and checking if the error disappears. Sometimes a simple refresh is enough to restore the connection. If the issue still appears, the next step is to log out of your account and sign back in. This resets your session and can often fix temporary account or loading issues. If that doesn't work, try opening Claude AI in an incognito or private browser window. Open a new private window, visit Claude AI again, and sign in from there. This helps bypass browser extensions or cache data that may be causing the issue. Another important step is checking whether Claude AI is experiencing a server outage. Search for the official Claude status page or use websites like Down Detector to see if other users are reporting problems. If there's a spike in reports, the issue is likely server related, and you simply need to wait until it's fixed. You can also clear your browser cache, disable your VPN temporarily, or restart your browser to see if that resolves the problem. So that's basically how you can fix the Claude isn't working right now error. That's it for this video. Thanks.